Woodpeckers Clamping Squares Plus keep your cabinet projects squared up while you work. But what do you do when you have more square than your project? You reach for Woodpeckers' new Clamping Squares Plus Minis. CSP-MINIs have all the great features of the original CSPs, but with 3-inch arms. They're perfect for small projects like jewelry boxes and restricted openings in cabinet assemblies. Like the original CSPs, they're made to work with Woodpecker's CSP clamps. The clamping bolt drops in the square, and the heavy-duty Acme thread clamps quickly and securely. But if you already have a shop full of F-style clamps, those work too. We also designed a wall-mountable racket that fits 4 CSP-MINIs to keep them right in plain sight and ready for work. It works by itself, or you can add it to the original Clamping Squares Plus racket. If you're buying CSP clamps too, an original racket will hold the Minis and 8 clamps. Made to strict tolerance from aircraft-grade aluminum, CSP-MINIs are the perfect answer to keeping your small projects perfectly square. Order yours today.